I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Tailwind CSS. Start with the core concepts of Utility-First CSS. This approach is fundamental to understanding how Tailwind CSS works. Dive into the official documentation. It's incredibly comprehensive and your best friend for learning. Then, immediately set up a new project. Practical application is key to solidifying your knowledge and seeing Tailwind CSS in action. Once your project is set up, begin exploring the core utility classes. These include classes for typography, spacing, colors, and layout. Practice combining these utilities to build complex components. Pay special attention to responsive design utilities, which allow you to adapt your styles for different screen sizes, from small mobile devices to large desktop displays. Tailwind CSS is highly customizable. Learn how to extend its default configuration to match your project's specific design system. You can modify the Tailwind config JS file to add custom colors, font sizes, or spacing values. Additionally, explore integrating third-party plugins to add more advanced features or streamline your workflow, making your development process more efficient. Now it's time to build. Apply your knowledge by creating actual web components and full-page layouts. As you build, identify repetitive patterns and refactor them into reusable components or custom utilities. This practice improves maintainability. Finally, keep an eye on new releases and features. Tailwind CSS evolves, and staying current ensures you leverage its full potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.